Kia ora koutou, ko te aho, haramai. Welcome to today's virtual Makerspace. We had expected to be back in the library with our programming. However, due to lockdown, we're back still doing what we've been doing for the last few months. So welcome, and if you're new to watching this, thanks for joining us. We start with some quick brain teasers, and then we're going to get into some science experiments.
Can you spot the penguin in amongst the toucans? Pause if you need to. These are called rebus puzzles. Give them a go. Now try this one. And one more to finish.
Well, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those brain teasers. Now we're going to do some quick and easy science experiments that you should be able to do from home. We will signal where you may need an adult to help you. Let's make a start. And what we do here is take a closer look. For the water rising experiment, you're going to need a bowl. Mine is glass so that you can see it. Some water in the bowl, about a couple of centimetres worth. A glass, a tea light candle, some matches or a lighter, and just so you can see a little bit better, you won't need this. I'm going to use some food colouring so I can colour the water, so hopefully you can see a little bit better. So I'm going to add that first. And give that a little bit of a stir. Now, I'm going to pop our tea light into the water. And I'm going to light. Please get an adult to help to light the tea light. And then we're going to carefully watch as we place the glass over the top. We'll have a look at the science behind that, and then I'll show it to you in slow motion. Let's now have a look at refraction. I've written a number on this card, 801. Now I've got a glass, place that there, and I'm going to fill the glass up with water. What's happened to the number? Does it now read 108? Let's have a look at another example. This time I have an arrow. The arrow is pointing to the right. Let's place the glass in front again, fill it with water and see what happens. Is the arrow now pointing to the left? Let's have a look at that in slow motion. And look at the science behind refraction. Here's another simple refraction experiment. I've got a bowl, I've got a coin. I'm going to put the coin in the bowl. Can you see it? Now let's add some water. Let me know when you can see the coin. Now try this quick surface tension experiment. I've got a glass with water in it and a glass without. Have your piece of string. Put it into the glass with water and you should be able to transfer the water to the other glass along the piece of string. It didn't work straight away, but it did work. Well, thanks for joining us for today's session. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you're staying safe during lockdown. Ka kite ana.